Come on.
We just had to ruin.
Well, when you do, be careful.
There's the pie.
Yeah.
I cannot get up here.
Put your foot on the tire.
Dude, my foot is too big. I have clown feet, remember?
I have
Then
hobbit
throw
feet
your
and I got
hips
up here.
when you toss your hip. Yeah, like that.
I can't.
And I dip,
pants
you
are not
dip, we
stretchy
dip.
enough.
Then heave up and put your belly in it. There you go. There you
Now
go.
put your right leg in and shake it all about.
I don't think Mikey's tires can handle it.
You can do it.
Come on.
Jason is in the vehicle.
Oh wow.
Damn it! What happened?
Boom. Dude, I got that. I got whatever that thing is in my on my thumb, and I can smell it.
What is it?
Whatever
don't know
that
what to
stuff
do.
was,
That pie?
yeah, that pie, dude. I can smell it on my thumb.
Cheesecake.
It's cherry cheesecake.
Why don't you wipe shit on me? Are you 5? God. Stop.
Giggity.
Where's Avery and Isaac?
What the fuck is that?
Hey, where's Avery and Isaac in the back of the car?
Making out in the back of the truck.
Yeah, most likely.
They're making out.
Maybe we
Of
should
course
aim
they
our
would be.
cameras over
Alright, how do
there.
you shut that off? There we go. Now it's
Oh,
not
I didn't
flickering
know
in
it was
my
on.
eyes.
Go take a blackmail photo.
Could have said something sooner. I didn't even know.
When I sit over here and start doing this,
You're getting
no.
a seizure from my hat.
I can't stick up for you if you're still instigating it. So
Yeah, you just gotta let
leave it
it
alone.
go. Trust me, it sucks.
No, I'm texting my girlfriend.
Don't lie.
No,
I don't care. I'm just picking on you.
that's not how firework.
It's pretty. Got any? Oh, there's the blue.
Oh wow.
It's about to go off again unless there's a fire behind there. Cool.
You guys, you gotta keep the faith, okay?
Like I said, he probably spent thousands.
Holy.
And you gotta make the noise or it doesn't work.
Do they have a grand finale?
No.
I hope that's not it.
If they set up the whole firework display at once, it'd be pretty cool.
Did you see how much he had?
Quite a bit.
That's what I would do. Not that. Like the whole thing catch fire and
Somebody's smoke explodes.
Dude, what is that noise that is coming from over?
The echo?
Dude, I'm putting that dent in your truck by accident.
Customize.
You know what I said? I went into the 4th of July and I ran Nuka for the 4th of July.
Iran doesn't have
want to
the
yell,
missile
you're not loud enough.
capacity.
You're not loud enough! Get loud!
You're not even clapping.
I want to hear you!
I don't. Okay, so Iran doesn't have missile capacity. Russia said they're not being involved. The only person that's capable of doing anything is China.
Why don't you have your thing on dark?
Because I don't want it. It's pink.
No, they could have pink and dark. God.
You were just called a whore by a little girl.
No.
Looks like there might be a fire. Behind the American flag wooden thing back there. Or the light in the ball from.
The flag kept on fire.
Dude, look at all that smoke that's just going
Like,
on.
no offense, if his set sets up on fire, that'd be so awesome.
No, it's not.
You have no clue.
No, that's Van Gilbert's cows. That's like, oh my god.
America! Yeah, I'm ready.
I don't like that.
So pretty. Eon sets, they're so awesome. I feel like I'm there with you.
I told you they were making out.
You guys, y'all are family. Keep it going.
There is like a fire behind the film.
I'm hoping it was planned.
I'm not.
You guys don't know Josh and Dan, so
What are you injured? I'm just I'd come out next year with 100 on the
Smoking barbecue.
Good.
I'll think nothing of sweet baby. You mean poop?
No, I'm exploded just over the fucking American flag. Want it? All you boys sound like a bunch of girls.
That's kind of a flex.
Except for Avery, he sounds normal.
Get out of here.
Get out of my truck.
Y'all get out of my car.
Y'all stop doing that.
Now there's a big fire behind. Anybody else see the fire?
There's a old car back there.
Hey, something did catch on fire over there.
Yeah,
We seen that, Dana. Yeah, the blind.
No, there was like an old 1920s vehicle back there.
Yeah, but that's on top of where they got the fireworks. That's what I'm waiting for. Alright, it's too dangerous.
It's all part of the process, you guys.
It's already cold.
What's not? They have it so they can see.
But what are you doing?
And then all of a sudden we see in Detroit's area a big flash of light. We wouldn't have anything to worry about unless Lansing gets good.
Is that why it's so quiet? I don't know. Every time the big thing is they put a nuclear bomb out there, but it's kind of confused because they planted it.
That was the grand finale. Fire! There's a spark to get a little low there, guys. That sounds like a dog drinking water.
does not sit well with that mansard.
That?
Hey, Lily, I'm off, not this next week, but the week after.
You got laid off from work.
I did. I start after 4th of July. So, I'm going to say if you want, we can put the tent up in the backyard. You can come over and camp out at the house, and then we can do s'mores. No.
No, have you had the s'mores latte from Big B's yet?
Drink Hickeys.
I'm not.
I've seen the back of the truck with the 3 trailers.
Okay, please stop spraying that stuff.
What is it?
Water.
Oh. No mosquitoes are attracted to that, right?
And so is all other life.
Want to spray?
No, I don't. You want to get sprayed?
Yeah, I can't.
Okay.
I'm already getting sprayed.
You know that attracts mosquitoes? It attracts mosquitoes.
It attracts little lilies, too.
What is it?
Oh, hi, you're touching me.
I haven't moved.
Ugh.
Touchy,
Yeah, that doesn't mean I want him to touch me now.
I'm currently being touched.
Back to my goddamn phone. Fuck out.
Got a picture of my fireworks.
Yeah. Oh, boy, I'll drive over the fence in front of me.
No.
Don't step on the pie.
She's trying to move it with her foot.
Yeah, that's like that.
What is that?
Hello, Miss Mothra.
You got crabs?
All night.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
There's no littles in the.
You okay with me?
Oh, am I flashing again?
Stop.
That was not us.
That was not us.
Yeah, that wasn't us. Are you live?
Yeah,
How many people are on here?
just like all of them.
What?
Only like 2 people actually talking, but
We went like halfway up there, and that's on fire. They told us to back up because it was on fire.
that's okay. They're trained professionals.
There.
Yeah.
Like opposite. Right here. Going over to the